So hello everyone, this is Buddy Overeem from the Liberators, and actually this video is currently being created by Christian van Wijs, my colleague from the Liberators as well. And this current location is actually the MIT building, which is a pretty cool location to be in Boston. And we are in Boston for providing a professional Scrum Master 2 class at Scrum.org headquarters. And one characteristic of the PSM2 class is that it contains a lot of liberating structures. The upcoming month in June, I'll be heading to Sao Paulo in Brazil for providing a liberating structures workshop. And often I get a question like, what is the value of Scrum Masters for liberating structures? And to me, I could sort of like talk for about 1 hour about the value of liberating structures for Scrum Masters. But to summarize it, I would say liberating structures really help you fulfill the Scrum Master role as it is intended. So it helps you being a coach, it helps you being an impediment remover or being a facilitator, and it also helps you being a mentor and a change agent. And some examples of structures that help you fulfill the Scrum Master role like that are Troika Consulting, which really focuses on coaching, or What I Need From You, which really helps you to fulfill the role of a change agent. And now you might wonder, so what are these kind of liberating structures that you are talking about? Because I really don't have a clue what liberating structure actually is. If you would like to learn more about that, then attend the workshop that I provide at Sao Paulo at June 13th in Brazil, which is hosted by Emerge, the company founded by Alexander Magno. So I hope to see you there.